Hi all, welcome to our class. Today let us study new topic, comparing quantities. So we are going to compare different quantities. So we have to keep in our mind that to compare two quantities or find the ratio, the unit must be the same. To compare two quantities or find the ratio, the units must be the same. So we have to compare two quantities, the units must be same. Then the ratio of two numbers A and B, A by B and is denoted by A is to B. The ratio of two numbers A and B is A by B and is denoted by A is to B. So the ratio between two numbers A and B is A by B and is denoted by A is to B. So let us discuss some problems, then you will understand how we can compare two quantities. So, or find the ratio of two quantities. So first question, find the ratio of 5 kilometer and 400 meter. 5 kilometer and 400 meter. So we have to compare 5 kilometer and 400 meter. Or another way, find the ratio or compare 5 kilometer and 400 meter. So two things we have to keep in our minds. To compare two quantities, the unit must be same. Here, what is the unit? Here, kilometer is the unit. Here, meter is the unit. Here, kilometer is the unit. There, meter is the unit. So, to compare two quantities, the ratio or to find the ratio, the unit must be the same. So, we have to change this kilometer into meter or meter into kilometer. The unit should be same. If both are kilometer, we can find the ratio, or both are meter, we can find the ratio. So we have to find the ratio or compare 5 kilometer and 400 meter. So we can change 5 kilometer is equal to 5 kilometer is equal to change kilometer into meter, we have to multiply with the 1000. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 5 into 1000 meter is equal to 5000 meter. So 5000 meter is the 5 kilometer is 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. So we have 5000 meter and 400 meter. So we have 5000 meter and 400 meter. So 5000 meter and 400 meter. Then ratio. The ratio of two numbers A and B is A by B and is denoted by A is to B. That is 5000 divided by 400. We have to find the ratio. The ratio of 5000 meter and 400 meter is equal to 5000 is to 400. 5000 is to 400. The ratio is 5000 is to 400, which is equal to 5000 A is to B, that is A by B, that is 5000 by 400. So we can cut two zeros, then we got 50 by 4, again we can cut 25 2, that is 25 by 2, which is equal to 25 is to 25 by 2 means 25 by 2 is A is to B, that is 25 is to 2. So the ratio of 5 kilometer and 400 meter is 25 is to 2. So we can compare two quantities. Their units must be same. Here kilometer we change into meter. Then we can find the ratio, that is A and B. Two numbers 5000 and 400. The ratio is A by B, that is and denoted by A is to B, that is 5000 is to 400, that is A by B. 5000 divided by 400, and we cancel, we will get 25 by 2. In the we can write like that 25 is to 2. So let us consider another question. find the ratio of, second question, find the ratio of 30 days and 36 hours. 30 days and 36 hours. Find the ratio of 30 days and 36 hours. So here unit is days, here hours. So 30 days and 36 hours. To compare two quantities or to find the ratio of two quantities, we have to change the unit should be same. So 30 days and 36 hours. We have to change days into hours. We know 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 30 days means 30 days. 1 day 24 hours. 30 days means 30 into 24 hours is equal to 720 hours. 720 hours. So we changed 30 days into hours. Then both unit will be same. Here hours, here hours. So 30 days is equal to 1 hour is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore 30 days is equal to 30 into 24 hours. That is equal to 720 hours. Now 30 days becomes 720 hours. Ratio of 720 hours and 36 hours. So we have the ratio of 720 hours and 36 hours, which is equal to 720 is to 36. 720 is to 36, which is equal to 720 by A by B. A is to B, that is A by B. That is 720 by 36. We can cut the 36. Here 2, here 1. So 20 by 1. 20 by 1. We got 20 by 1. So 20 by 1. A by B is equal to A is to B. We got 20 by 1, which is equal to 20 is to 1. The ratio is 20 is to 1. So to compare two quantities or find the ratio, the unit must be the same. Second point, the ratio of two numbers A and B is A by B and is denoted by A is to B. Next question, find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise. So first question, rupees 5 to 50 paise. 50 paise. Rupees 5 to 50 paise. So to find the ratio, the unit must be same. Here rupees, here paise. So rupees 5. So rupees 5 is equal to, we can change 5 rupees into paise. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 5, which is equal to 5 into 100 paise. Is equal to 500 paise. 500 paise. So 500 paise. So 500 paise to 50 paise. Both units are equal. So the ratio of 500 paise to 50 paise is equal to 500 is to 50. Ratio is to 500 is to 50, which is equal to 500 by 50. We can cut 0 and 0, 5 and 50, that is 10, 1. That is 10 by 1. 10 by 1, which is equal to 10 is to 1. So the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise is equal to, rupees 5 is equal to 500 paise. Therefore 500 paise to 50 paise, that is 500 into 50, which is equal to 500 by 50, which is equal to 10 by 1, that is 10 is to 1. Second question, 9 meter to 27 centimeter. Second question, 9 meter to 27 centimeter. 9 meter to 27 centimeter. To compare two quantities or to find the ratio of two quantities, we have to we should have same units. Here meter, here centimeter. So we can change 9 meter into centimeter. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 9 into 100 centimeter is equal to 900 centimeter. Therefore the ratio is therefore the ratio is 900 is to 27. The ratio is 900 is to 27, which is equal to 900 by 27. We can cut with the 3, that is 3 into 3 9, 300. Then we cut with the 3, cancel with the 3, 300. Here 9. Again we can cut with the 3, that is 1 0 is 100. That is 100 by 3 is equal to 100 by 3 means 100 is to 3. So the ratio of 9 meter to 27 centimeter is equal to 100 is to 3. So first we have to change the units. Both units should be equal. So 9 meter to 27 centimeter is equal to 100 is to 3. So we can compare two quantities. Now let us study new topic, percentage. What is percentage? Percent is derived from the Latin word percentum. The word percentage is derived from the Latin word percentum, meaning per hundred. Meaning per hundred. Percentage means per hundred. Another way we can say that percentages are numerators of fractions having denominator as 100. Percentages are numerators of fractions having denominators as 100. For example, 9 by 100. This is a fraction, 9 by 100. This is a fraction. Here numerator is 9 and denominator is 100. So percentage means per 100 and is denoted by the symbol. This symbol we use for percentage. So 9 by 100 we can write that by 100. The by 100 means percentage, that is per 100. So we can write 9. Instead of this by 100 we can put the symbol. So 9 percentage means 9 by 100. What about 12 percentage? 12 percentage means 12 by 100 per 100. 12 by 100. Then 11 by 100 we can write 11 percentage. So by 100 we can use the symbol percentage. So percent is derived from the Latin word percentum, meaning per 100. Percentages are numerators of fractions having denominators as 100. So 9 by 100 is equal to 9 percentage. 12 by 100 is equal to 12 percentage. 11 by 100 is equal to 11 percentage. What about 100 percentage? 100 percentage is 100 by 100. Percentage is by 100. 100 percentage is what? So 9 by 100 is equal to 9 percentage. So percentage means per 100. So if by 100 we can say that 9.5 by 100. 9.5 by 100 we can write 9.5 percentage. So by 100 we can use the symbol percentage, which means percentage means per 100. So 9.5 by 100. Okay. So let us study how can we change fractions into percentage. How can we change fraction into percentage? So let us discuss some questions. For example, we have a fraction 3 by 4. We have to write this fraction. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. We have to change this fraction into percentage. So the first step is, we know 3 by 4. We can multiply and divide 100 with the numerator and denominator respectively. The first step is multiply 100 with the numerator and denominator. That is 3 into 100 by 4 into 100. First step is multiply numerator and denominator with 100. So 3 into 100, 100 cancel, you will get 3 by 4. So there is no change, no difference. So we can multiply 100 numerator, 100 denominator. So there is no change in the fraction. When we cancel this 100, you will get 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, we multiply with the 100 both numerator and denominator, which is equal to. We know percentage is per 100. Means by 100. By 100. Percentage means per 100 or by 100. Here 3 by 4 into 100. Here also 100. So for this 100 by 100, we can use the symbol percentage. For that 100, we can, percentage means by 100. That is, we can use the symbol percentage for this 100. Then 3 into 100, 300 by 4. 300 by 4, which is equal to, what is 300 by 4? 300 by 4, which is equal to 7, 28, 2, 5, 20. So 75%. So first step is multiplying 100 on numerator and 100 with the denominator. Then the denominator, 100 in the denominator, we can give the symbol of percentage. Then multiply the numerator and divide that with the denominator 4. We will get 75%. Another question, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. How can we change this into percentage? Simple, that is 1 by 2 multiply with the 100 numerator and 100 also denominator. For this 100, we can give the symbol of percentage. Here 1 into 100, 100 by 2 is there. So 100 by 2 percentage. 100 by 2 is 50. So 1 by 2 means 50%. So multiply 100 here, 100 here. For this 100, we use the symbol percentage. Then 1 into 100, 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is 50. So 50%. Another question is that we have to change 25 by 40. We have to change 25 by 40. 25 by 40. We have to write percentage. 25 by 40. Multiply numerator and denominator with 100. That is 25 by 40 into 100 by 100. For this 100, we can write the symbol percentage. We are changing to percentage. Now 25 into 100 by 40, we can cut this 0. Then 4 and 2 and 5 is 125 by 2. We can write 125 by 2 percentage. 125 by 2, we can change 6, 12, 0, 5, 2, 4 is 62, 1 by 2 percentage. So 62 into 62, 1 by 2 percentage. So multiply with the 100, denominator and numerator. For the 100 in the denominator, we can use the symbol of percentage. Then simplifying this, we will get 62 and 1 by 2 percentage. Another question, we have to write as a percent. So the question is that we have to find 3 by 4. Not 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4, we can write 1 into 100 by 4 into 100. So we can use for this 100, we can give percentage. Then 100 by 4, 1 into 100, 100, 100 by 4, which is equal to 25. So 100 by 4 is 25, therefore 25%. So we can change the fraction into percentage. Now we are going to find how to change decimal number into percentage. How we can change decimal number into percentage. So first question, 8.1. It's a decimal number. We have to change this 8.1 into percentage. The same method, which is equal to 8.1 into 100 also by 100. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. 8.1 we can write as 8.1 by 1. That is 8.1. So we can 8.1 by 1. We can multiply with the 100. So for this 100 we can use percentage. Then 8.1 into 100. 8.1 into 100 means 8.1. Two zeros are there. So you have to place point after 2 digits. So 8.1. Then one more digit needed. So 810%. So 810%. So next question. Simple example we can write. We have to change 6.25 into percent. 6.25 into percent. 6.25 is a decimal number. We have to change 6.25 into percent, which is equal to, we can write 6.25 by 1. That is 6.25 is equal to 6.25 by 1. Then multiply with the 100 numerator, 100 denominator. So which is equal to, for this 100 we can write percentage. Then 6.25 into 100, that is 625. 2 zeros, 2 points to the right, that is 625%. So we can change decimals into percents. Then 5.13. So decimal number we have to change into percent. So it is equal to 5.13 by 1. That is 5.13. Multiply the 100 also with the 100. It's equal to 513 by 513%. So for this 100 percentage, 5.13 into 100, 2 zeros to the right, that is 513. Next question, 0.23. 0.23 we have to change into percent. We can write 0.3 by 1, multiply with the 100. Here also multiply the 100. For this 100 we can use the symbol of percent. 0.23 into 100, 2 zeros. After 0.2 digits are there. So when we multiply with the 100, there are 2 zeros. So 2 points to the right, that is 23%. So we can convert fractions into percents and decimals into percents. So multiply numerator and denominator with the 100. The same method. Then by 100 we can give the symbol of percent. Then simplification of other quantities, we will get the answer. So we have studied how to compare two quantities. To compare two quantities, the units must be same. Then A by B means A is to B. This is the ratio representing A is to B. Two numbers A and B. The ratio is A is to B. That is represented by A by B. Then percent. Percent means by 100, per 100 or by 100, per 100. So fraction, denominator is 100, so per 100. Then we can find the percent of fraction and the percent of decimal number. These are the basic concepts of these chapters.